So here in 4th period ASB class at Sequoia, we really collaborate with each other and create amazing events at Sequoia. We are very on top of what we need to do and are very dedicated to our leadership skills at our school. Unili for life.
Dude, did you ever check your email? It's from admin.
Oh, okay, boomer. They're trying out a new schedule with flex time? Today? Interesting. Boys! Ben, Christian, Kelly, Daniel, Anika, Remington, Jack, conference room now! Dang it! Do you guys know why I called you in here today?
They cool the classroom?
We're now getting paid to go to school?
Oh, I know. You want us to leave early from class.
No, not at all. That's against school policy, Remington. We're trying out the new flex time schedule.
Ooh, flex time? I know about that.
Yes, I've been waiting for this for the longest time.
The goal of flex time is to have dedicated time for students to take control of their learning. This should be a student-centered time where students are making decisions about what they need to do to increase their understanding or to help improve their grade in one of their classes.
I literally been waiting for Sequoia to have a flex time for the longest time. It seems like every school around us has a flex time, and it's a great opportunity for us to get work done.
Yeah, so I know a little about this. Miss Peters told me a bit. She said we were trying to build in time for students to get any form of support required from teachers as a structured part of the day to reduce stress and ensure that everyone can access support.
Flex time is a period that we'll have for students to do things such as study, have tutorials, and review some classes. This is a rally schedule, but instead of the rally, you're going to be having fun in the classroom.
So this whole flex time thing, I don't really get it.
Yeah, me neither. It's really confusing and I don't understand it.
¿No lo entiendes? El flex time es como una manera para aumentar las oportunidades de los estudiantes para tener tiempo para hacer sus trabajos en silencio y hablar con sus maestros.
Oh, thank you very much. I understand it now.
El flex time o el tiempo flexible serán 45 minutos integrados al horario del bloque A y B, que permitirá a los estudiantes tener tiempo y opciones para apoyar su éxito académico a través de tener tiempo para trabajar tranquilamente y silenciosamente, ir a tutoriales o hablar con maestros y retomar cualquier examen o prueba que no hayan tomado. El tiempo flexible está siendo considerado por Sequoia porque el estrés de ser un estudiante es muy alto, así que necesitamos tiempo para relajarnos y tomar todo con calma. También aumentará las oportunidades para satisfacer las variadas necesidades de los estudiantes, porque todos aprendemos de una manera diferente y enlazará el aprendizaje y el éxito académico.
I still really don't get this flex time period, but I do believe that you don't have to go to the teacher. You can just go to the subject you want to work on. You know what? Let's call another meeting.
Wait, if I have nothing to do during flex time, can't I just leave?
Definitely not. There's no option to opt out. Students must be at the flex time.
Anika, it is so good because we're just getting work done in school with the support of teachers. Yeah, I guess so.
So people are getting a rundown of flex time right now?
Yes, they are. They're going to pick up the classes right after this video, and then tomorrow we'll have our first run with the flex time. I'm so excited!
Oh man, I'm so excited! Let's go! Let's go!
Actually, Travis has got me really excited about this flex time, and I can't wait to participate in it.
This is the first time we're trying flex time, so it won't be perfect, and it may be a little messy, so just stick with us on it. Do you want me to mention the schedule? Oh. As you know, rally schedule, which is built in time before lunch with the classes being a little shorter. For flex time, that rally schedule will be replaced with students going to study hall, tutorial, retakes, etc. to get done what they need to get done.
Now, Ben, here are some things you can do during flex time.
Wow, all of these things help me out a lot.
Oh, can I see?
I want to see this.
Wow, that's a crazy list.
Wait,
Whoa.
Dude, I don't have enough fingers to count all these things. There's just so many.
Have a good flex time.